Hello everybody, this is Bobby Stool here, and I'd like to give you a long overdue tour of my dorm room here in Griesedieck Hall at SLU. And so, looking out here at our beds, yes, I have a roommate, you see the room is rather tiny. So I'm going to take you through a quick panorama of what I get in here, and just show you around. So, you come over here to the sink area. You see it's basic sink. Of course, you bring your own soaps and whatnot, your own towels. A towel rack is provided. And you get a cabinet down here. The problem is here, look. My knee is about right here on the cabinet. Right in here. So the cabinet pretty much is right at my knee level, so I have to bend over to do anything, which is kind of a problem for a 6'3" person like myself. There's another problem too, but I will get to that as we progress through the room. And of course, you know what, let me do this quick. Hello! So we got the light up here, and I'm going to actually turn it on so you can see a little bit more here. That's better. Yeah, that's much better. So you get the sink. Some actually have water savers. We got lucky. We don't have one that has a water saver on it. So you get the medicine cabinet. Hello again. You got a medicine cabinet here. It slides open. It's, fillable with anything you need. And again, the light. I'll go ahead and shut that off. We each get an Armoire. This is my roommate, so I'm not going to open it. You get my TV. We do have high definition here at SLU, which is rather surprising. I brought in the cabinet. The mini fridge and the printer, you have to bring your own printer or use SLU's printers. Personally, I recommend you bring your own. Here's my roommate's bed and his work area down here. I'm not going to light it up because it's out of respect for him. Curtains. There's our AC unit. There's our heater. You can hardly see it, but you see the vents. Yeah, that's a heater. We have no control over it, so these rooms are sweltering right now. And then over here is... let me turn on the light over here too real quick. Come on, baby. Of course, I need to work and it's not going to work. Well, that's why you always bring your own light. Let me just turn on my own light here. Yeah, I brought this one in. I've had this thing forever. This one forever. Ah, there we go. And see, this is my desk. Kind of cluttered. It was worse. My computer, hard drives, water bottle, some newspaper clippings, miscellaneous junk. You get a little thing up here to store your stuff, a little shelf. And I'll show you why this is a good benefit later. And now it comes on, of course, after I'm done with this part. But, so you do have a light, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Just a standard fluorescent office light. I came back over here. And we each get a dresser, I forgot to mention that, and this is mine. Brought the microwave. A little cluttered. There's the remote, and here's the channel guide. That box paper's mine. Got a chair there, which is nice. Got a little food cart here. Yes, it's restocked because I just came home from Christmas break. Got my laundry baskets and paper towels up there. Got a little broom and dustpan over here. Using nails. Yes, so lets you hang nails, you just have to be small enough, which you can go get painter's nails and you'll be fine. Now I will open up this Armoire because this is my own. So it's pretty roomy in here. Like I've got towels over here, clothespins, my laundry stuff's in the back there. Got some of my shirts hanging up, some of my dressier clothes. Some shoes in there, my hamper over there, some extra hangers for when I need them. So, pretty nice little Armoire we get. And this configuration with the beds, by the way, is how the room comes, and it's been really good. They do come lofted like this, so definitely helps maximize space, because I can actually sit here in my chair, and I will actually demonstrate for you. I'm sitting in a chair here, and there's my TV. So, bird's eye view of the TV. Especially whenever I run Netflix through it, because I have a cable I can hook to my computer to do just that. The other high complaint I have. You'll see I have a pool noodle hooked on my bed, and you wonder why. Let me show you. This right here is about my chin. What you're seeing here on the camera is about my chin. Yeah, that's my chin. This pool noodle is my chin. So as you can imagine, I bend down to do something, come up, and ouch, every time. So that's why I got the pool noodle there, is because being 6'3" is rather difficult here at SLU, at least in the dorms. Oh, and I was going to show you the benefit of leaving your beds lofted and in this configuration. And let me show you. Let me climb here on my bed real quick. Oops, apologies for that. So as you see, I'm crawling up here. This is the cabinet right here. And so what I do during the night, I got a little fan there, I will set my phone right over here, and I can access it easily. So it's a really cool thing having this bed, because I can just set something anywhere I want. My roommate can do that too, actually. He can set his phone over there if he wants. Because besides having a light, they also have a plug-in on them, which is really, really nice. So that's the end of the tour. And of course, there's the door. Look, I never had to hear that thing go off. So that's the end of the tour. Hope you found it informative. And wish me luck this semester here at SLU. So with that, this is Bobby Stoll signing off. Wishing you all a pleasant evening. Stay warm, stay safe, and as always, take care.